am going to be decorating my balcony. Max is whining now because I'm talking to the camera. But I'm decorating the balcony. And yeah, so really, I don't know how I'll get around to decorating it today. Today I'm cleaning it because it's filled with dead plants. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. And then we have new furniture. I showed you guys last week. And once it's all clean and all the plants are thrown away and I've swept and cleaned the ground, then I'll put the furniture up. So that might actually be tomorrow. I'm gonna put the finished look on IGTV, so I'll let you know when that's up. But for today, we're just cleaning off the balcony and getting it ready. I'm so excited to be able to sit outside with the dogs. So yeah, this is the before. Do not judge me, okay? Hey doggies. So these crates, I don't know what to do with. There's a fern that needs to be hanging right there, but the nail came out, so I gotta fix that. There's a few plants that look like they're trying to survive, but some are dead. Recycling bin, dirt, old grass that needs to be thrown down, 2 dead plants, grass that needs to be replaced, my lime tree, some more ferns. So yeah, we're gonna get this all cleaned up today. What are we doing? What time is it? Yeah, I'll go get some grass now.
It's probably gonna be wet.
I put these gloves on because I've already kind of messed up my nails switching out that grass down there. So this is like dead and it's not coming back. So I'm gonna take it out so I can use the pot again. Hey Maxie man. I'll put this over here. Okay? So the balcony is kind of done. I still haven't hung up that fern yet. I moved their pea station down here. There's no grass in it because it rained today. Well, it doesn't look like it now, but it rained today. And there's no there's no grass in that, Max. But it rained today, and so I don't want to go to the plant nursery because the grass is going to be wet there. I moved the plant station to just against that wall. I'm not sure what to do with this table. Might give it away, throw it away, but right now it's holding my plant. And there's only one plant on here because this fern is supposed to be hanging up, so I could only save one plant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants need to be replaced. Recycling bins I don't know what to do with. That beach chair has been out here for a year. It's dusty. I don't want it anymore. I got these crates from a friend when she moved a year ago. I don't know what I thought I was going to do with them, but I haven't done anything with them. If anything, Max has just peed on them, so probably end up giving those away. I'm not worried about him peeing on them because they're out here, but I don't know. And that's the tarp I used to go get the grass, and everything down here is blank. Hey. So everything's blank down here. I have 3 bags of old grass and dead plants. And now I need to clean up a little bit more before we put the furniture out here. But yeah, it is clean for the most part. I'll just sweep again once we throw the trash out, and then we'll be able to put the furniture. I'm so excited. We're excited, Max, aren't we? Hey guys, it's Karen. So I have everything together on the balcony right now. Not everything. I don't have the lights up. I haven't gotten any replacement plants, but we've made progress. So I'm going to show you the furniture's up. And I was thinking about going to the plant nursery today, but it may storm this weekend, so I might save that for another weekend. But I'm going to film another video where I'm showing you the updates. So once we put up the lights, once I've replaced the plants, find a nice rug, and I'm going to build a little house or a little bed station for the dogs. The wind's picking up out there, so let me go ahead and show you what it looks like right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe, please. And go follow me on Instagram at _karyncam. And you can also follow the dogs over on Instagram at maxsmom.com. That's also the name of my blog. So if you want to follow us over there, check out our stories. I share everything about the dogs' health issues, having senior dogs, the adventures we go on camping, just everything is over there. All things about Max's mom. So that means everything about me, Max, Roxy, Cece, and our lives. So go check it out if you're interested in that. And thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.